show you how can recover my password from Mega Cloud account. So I will go to mega.nz here, click of login, then forget your password, put mail id. Scroll down, click into this option, markup, and click this option. Scroll down, please click this option, markup this option, and park account, click here, click. Password reset link has gone to my mail id, so I'll go check my mail id. Park my account here, click this. So write down their password and retype password. Must need 8 character. Retype password. Start new account. Okay, got it. So put the password, login, wow, open this Mega Cloud account.